Hello everyone. I'm from the UK. And I'm here in a restaurant eating ramen noodles. It's very difficult for me to pick up noodles with chopsticks, and I'm not doing it very well. They're crossed over. But anyway, we do our best. So I will now eat these noodles my way. And here we go. So,
どうですか？
I don't make a big noise when I have these noodles, but anyway, the point is, if you make a big noise or you don't make a big noise, it depends on your culture. The most important thing is to enjoy them. This is delicious, and thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.